हेलो फ्रेंड्स। आज ये मेरा पहला वीडियो है मास्टरिंग एक्सेल चैनल पर। हम इस चैनल पर एक्सेल सीखेंगे एकदम बेसिक से लेकर एडवांस तक। सो वी विल हैव अ सीरीज ऑफ वीडियोस दैट विल कवर अ लॉट ऑफ टॉपिक्स इन एक्सेल। टॉपिक्स लाइक फंक्शंस, वी lookup, x lookup, topics like pivot table, topics like macros, power queries, और हम कुछ रियल लाइफ प्रॉब्लम्स को भी कवर करेंगे, जैसे कि रिकंसिलिएशन बनाना या फिर पीएनएल बैलेंस शीट बनाना या फिर इनवॉइस बनाना, और बहुत सारे ऐसे टॉपिक्स को भी कवर करेंगे। सो मेरे साथ जुड़े रहिए और एक्सेल सीखने का मजा लीजिए। आज हम बेसिक टॉपिक कवर करने वाले हैं कि जब हम एक्सेल यूज करते हैं तो एक्सेल किन मोड्स पर चलता है। सो बेसिकली दिस टॉपिक इज important because you should know how to use Excel effectively, and for doing that you will need to know what are the different modes in which Excel is being used. The first mode in which Excel is being used is the ready mode. So ready mode yani when you start Excel, it is in ready mode. You can see at the bottom that the word ready is written. So it is in ready mode. Cell is selected, and generally the cell that is selected when you start is A1. So a cell is selected and you can start working on it. Once you start entering data or typing anything, then it goes into enter mode. So that is the mode where it lets you know it is entering data. Now once you press enter, it again goes back to ready mode. Once it is there in ready mode, you can press F2 and go to edit mode. So F2, once you press F2, it goes into edit mode. This mode is very important in editing not only text but also formulas. Okay, let's say you don't want to go into edit mode, but you want to type some formula. Now if you want to type some formula, you can do that by pressing equal to sign or plus sign. So basically that lets Excel know that you are into formula mode. So once you press equal to, you go into formula mode. And if you press arrow keys after pressing equal to, then what Excel does is it starts selecting various cells. Now this is the point mode. If you see at the bottom, point would also be written just like ready or edit. Even point would be written at the bottom, so it lets you know that you are in edit mode and you can select any cells. This helps in entering complex formulas where you have to select either a single cell or a range of cells in a particular formula. So that is why this point mode is very important. You have to look at the bottom at the status bar and you can use this. Okay. Next is selection mode. Now selection mode is where you select is a mode where you select a number of cells before giving some command. So if you select a particular set of cells and press Ctrl B, all the data in that cell will become bold. So that is select mode. Now we will actually do it and see as to how things happen. So before that, we'll start Excel. Excel can be started by pressing the start menu and just type Excel. Okay. So this does not this helps you to start Excel without clicking on any icon or searching for the Excel icon or anything as such. So this makes it very easy. So I'm starting Excel. Okay, as you can see that Excel is in ready mode at this point. If I press F2, it goes into edit mode. Okay, or if I just press escape, it comes back to ready mode. Then if I press equal to, it goes into enter mode. But once I click the arrow keys, other cells are getting selected and it goes into point mode. So let's say if I press enter over here, see it automatically a formula is entered equal to F4. So if I type anything on F4, let's say, then it automatically appears in B1. So this is the formula that was entered. So it is a simpler way of entering formulas. Okay. Then the next is selection mode. So let's say selection mode. I have selected this, and if I press Control B or Control I, then bold and italics happens. You should always use the keyboard as much as possible rather than going for the mouse. This improves not only your speed but it improves your control. So it is better to use keyboard rather than mouse. Okay, so that's all for today. In the next video we will start entering into various topics of Excel that will help us improve our Excel more. So see you in the next video. Please share, subscribe to this channel and share the video with your friends. Thank you.